Go ahead.
Okay, the wiring of this home is going to be real easy because the boxes will sit on the inner wall and all the wires can either be stapled to the side of the 2x4, and if they have to travel horizontally, they can be stapled to the back of the stud. There will be hardly any holes drilled in the framework as a result. I also will be very deliberately setting my boxes. The lower ones will be at 20 inches high instead of the traditional 12 inches because the house will also be wheelchair accessible. And the light switches, instead of standing at typically 48 inches to the bottom of the box, they will be dropped down about 4 inches, simply so somebody with limited mobility can reach the switches. Okay, I've been busy putting in a drop ceiling, and basically the purpose of the drop ceiling is to accommodate all the wiring and also the ventilation tubing. I'm going to be using a air-to-air exchanger from a European company, and I will use 3-inch flexible tubing, and it needs to fall below the vapor barrier. I did not want to penetrate the vapor barrier with wires or boxes or tubing or any kind of fixture, simply to keep the airtightness of the house. So I've used a 1x4 on the flat with a 2x4 underneath, giving 4 1/4 inches of clear space, which is more than adequate for the tubing, the wiring, the electrical boxes that will fit in the ceiling. And because of the way it's installed, it's very easy to snake wires across or along the members and staple them. So the wiring is going to be very easy to do, and yeah, it's going to look good.